been reporting for the last 10 days. Several people have fallen ill after allegedly drinking contaminated water, this time in Greater Noida. And this is in one area of Greater Noida where residents have claimed that sewage water was mixed with tap water supply. It reached the homes and also impacted the health of people. People have reported stomach infections, with locals saying that their condition deteriorated after consuming this water. Authorities in Greater Noida have said that water samples have been collected and have been sent for testing. There are health camps that have also been set up in the affected area. Authorities are also adding that the situation has improved in these houses. The area that has been identified is C152 to C202, even as the monitoring continues. So this is happening in Greater Noida. Now remember, over the last few days, there was shock and outrage over how more than 10 people lost their lives after drinking contaminated water in Indore in Madhya Pradesh. After that, we've also been reporting about the typhoid surge in Gandhinagar, where the cause has been identified as contaminated water. We've been showing you reports from the city of Bengaluru. We've been showing you reports of the complaints coming in from Jammu. And now in the latest, this is Greater Noida, where people have complained of contaminated water, due to which the area that has been affected, in which there are residents who are affected. My colleague Kritika is with us, who's reporting on the latest. But take a look at the pictures on your screens. This is the latest coming in from Greater Noida. People have complained about how, because of drinking, after allegedly drinking contaminated water in Greater Noida, in a particular area known as Sector Delta 1, residents have claimed that sewage water was mixed with tap water supply. The complaints are similar in most of these places. In Indore, the investigation is still on. The ministers had confirmed in Madhya Pradesh that more than 1,000 people were affected. And right now, we are reporting from Greater Noida. Going across to my colleague Kritika. Kritika, Greater Noida too is witnessing a similar kind of a problem. And one would have thought that something as basic as drinking water, as, people shouldn't have to suffer because of it. Now we are getting news from Greater Noida that in a particular area, that water too was contaminated. What's the latest?
Well, absolutely. Water being one of the fundamental to take for granted, because it is expected that the authorities will be keeping their best foot forward as far as safe drinking water is concerned. However, we are learning that from Delta 1, several residents are complaining of stomach infections, of falling ill, and they're saying that this is happening due to contaminated water, contaminated with, in fact, sewage. This is the claim that is coming in from the Resident Welfare Association of the particular area as well. They're also, in fact, saying that they have been complaining multiple times to the Greater Noida Authority as well over the shoddy supply of drinking water as well. What they claim is that tap water was mixed with contaminated sewage water, and that is why a lot of residents are now coming up with complaints of falling sick and stomach infections as well. The Greater Noida Authority, however, is saying that they are investigating the entire scenario, and that the issue is also limited to an even more hyper-localized area, and that investigations are taking place, but there still isn't an official confirmation on the contamination issue as far as the Greater Noida authorities are concerned. But definitely
so
people are taking
on the table once again, Kritika. For now, these are residents who've made this kind of a complaint. Authorities, while they've not issued an official statement so far, sources are saying that authorities believe this is a hyper-localized area. But can you also confirm to our viewers as to how many residents have made this complaint? How many houses are affected so far?
Well, the Welfare Association, which is a representative of about 100 blocks, has in fact written about these complaints. They've also, a flat-wise complaint has also, and tower-wise complaint have also been filed. Currently, there are about over 20 people who have fallen sick. That is what the latest figures, as per the Resident Welfare Association, is pertaining to. They say that the issue is more widespread, but definitely the authorities authorities are trying to say that this is a hyper-localized issue, maybe with the supply of particular towers and particular pipelines itself, and not a larger contamination issue. But definitely the investigation is still on, and we're looking forward to what that probe reveals as well.
And we're also awaiting an official statement from the authorities. For now, as per sources, 20 people have taken ill. There are residents who are complaining. Let's listen to what they have to say.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम पंकज नागर जी, मैं RWA उपाध्यक्ष डेल्टा 1। हमारे यहाँ पिछले 3 दिनों से इस पानी की बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, क्योंकि इसमें जो वाटर लाइन में ये जो सीवर का पानी मिक्स आ रहा है, इसके लिए हमने प्राधिकरण में कई बार शिकायत करी। पहले भी हुआ था, ये पिछले 1.5 महीने से लगभग F ब्लॉक में कुछ लोग थे, वो 15-16 लगभग बीमार लोग वो एडमिट रहे हैं, 15 दिन में आए हैं वापस हॉस्पिटल से।
आप प्राधिकरण से आपने कहा, क्या सुनवाई हुई अभी तक?
प्राधिकरण से करा तो आज SM साहब आज आए थे, लेकिन हमें कुछ उसका रिजल्ट अभी तक दिखाई दिया नहीं, क्योंकि वो कह रहे हैं यहाँ से खोद के देख लो, कोई ट्रेन देख लो, तो कोई अभी तक कुछ ऐसी उपयुक्त कार्रवाई नहीं हुई।
पानी किस तरह का आता है घरों में जो आ रहा है पीने का? पानी
मिक्स आ रहा है मैम सर, तो उसमें ये है कि जो सीपेज वाटर जो सीवर का और पानी वाली लाइन पीने के पानी की वो मिक्स आ रही है।
कितने परिवार अभी तक इससे चपेट में आए कि जहाँ गंदा पानी आ रहा है?
कम से कम परिवार तो सर अगर पिछले 2 महीने में देखे जाए तो 100 से ऊपर परिवार आए होंगे चपेट में, जिसमें कई बीमार भी रहे, 15 दिन में वापस आए हैं।
Let's now shift our focus to Jammu and Kashmir.